log in. And if everything's correct, I should just go straight into the dashboard. I usually skip straight past this dashboard as I don't use it for anything. The first thing I want to check out is the settings of a site. A lot of them. These are your WordPress settings. So if we go to general, we've got some really important information here. Like the site title, which is displayed to the user quite often. It certainly appears a lot in search results, like Google search results. And the tagline, also very important, that we use our official company tagline here. Yeah, so both of these are reflected on the front end to the end user. We've got the WordPress address, so no need to change this, especially if it's correct. Then we've got the main email address here. So for me, I often find that this email address is still registered to the web developer, even though the web developer's still not in the picture. So this should really be the site owner. So this is the master email address. Whether or not you want to open membership, this is only used for sites, for membership sites, so that should really never be checked. Default user role, so for new members that sign up, what is going to be their user role. So all these have different levels of privileges. The language, I've always really just stuck with US English. The time zone can also be important, especially if you have functionality that relates to the time. So we, being in Melbourne, I think we're UTC at the moment. So UTC plus 11. The date format, I've never really been concerned with this, but this is really just how the date displays. So if you're not happy with a sort of a number format, or you prefer a number format, you can set that here. Same with the time. You know, if time's really important to you, then for me, I think the date's especially important, especially if you've got a blog or something, and outputting the date of the publication of the blog post, I think is really important. I don't like to see blog posts with no date on it. I think it's a valuable feature to display for usability. And then once again, if you've got functionality that relies on timing, then your week our week starts on Sunday, so we'd set that there to Sunday, and then just click save, and then you can move on to the next section.